Kapitan, ang thoughtful naman nila, so considered a marketer beside our home, the noises, the dust, ang ganda, di ba? This is a violation of our rights under the Article 3, Section 1 of the Philippine Constitution Act.
Sir, we understand your concern. Mang Pedro, please explain the situation.
The necessary permits, Kapitan. The market is need more jobs for the barangay.
Yes, for who? Our health is so bad now. Our peace is gone, and our properties? Kawawa naman! Due process, equal protection, as if wala man lang information. This is such a violation of our rights. Nakaka-stress!
I understand your frustration, Percy, but we need to find a solution that benefits everyone. Mang Pedro, did you consider the impact on residents?
Focus on getting the permits. We didn't think
This isn't some kind of joke, Mang Pedro. Grabe, these are our homes, our lives.
We're heard, okay? We demand a fair solution. Seriously? Stop the construction until we're properly consulted.
Tama.
This requires a further discussion. Magkikita pa tayo bukas ng umaga para tugunan ang lahat ng iyong alalahanin at matiyak ang katarungan at patunay solusyon para sa lahat. Ang lahat, let's continue our way of. I've spoken with the engineers and the councilors.
Kapitan, the constant noise and dust are violating Article 3, Section 2. Not a seizure, pero super unreasonable intrusion. Hay nako, nakakainis.
Meron na pong changes to the construction plan. The market's construction will continue, but with some adjustments to lessen the impact on your home, sana po maintindihan ninyo.
we're putting up sound barriers for less noise. We also minimize the dust using dust suppression technique. As we all adjust the schedule para less depression during rush hour. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Good steps, Kapitan. But promises are easy to make. How can we ensure these changes are actually implemented?
Karoon tayo ng mga regular inspections. Ang mga barangay officials and representatives from the construction company para masigurong okay lahat ng ginagawa. We will also document all agreements and changes in writing. And this will be available for all residents to review transparency to K.
Yaran namin kayo. Sakaling may mga damage or inconvenience during construction para fair lang sa inyo. We understand that this project should come at the expense of your well-being.
Our significant improvement, Kapitan. I appreciate the effort to find a fair solution for everyone. Go lang tayo, basta tubarin ang promises.
Ayun, kaya natin to. Magtulungan tayo para mas gumanda ang barangay natin. Kita, kahit magkaiba tayo ng opinion, kaya nating mag-usap at maayos at mahanap ng solusyon.
While I appreciate the commitment to regular meetings, we need to ensure resident privacy is protected. Article 3, Section 3 guarantees the privacy of communication and correspondence. Paano natin ma-secure na hindi mapahawa o malik ang mga personal na impormasyon na sasabihin sa mga meeting?
Diyan, magkaroon tayo ng mga patakaran kung ano ang pwedeng ibahagi at kanino. Ang mga personal na detalye at ibabahagi sa mga meeting ay tuturing na confidential at gamitin lang para ayusin ang problema sa konstruksyon. Ang konsehal ng barangay dito ang magbabantay sa prosesong ito. Still,
Will maintain a record of the meetings, but personal identifying information will be reducted from any public reports or summaries. Only aggregated data, if any, will be shared publicly to protect the privacy of the resident.
Pedro,
Tiyakin namin na anumang personal information na matatanggap mula sa mga residente ay handle with the same level of confidentiality.
Sobrang importante nito. I'm glad we're addressing this. Salamat, Kapitan.
You.